Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a certified 2020 Suzuki GSX-S750 with ABS. This motorcycle has right around 800 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we will fire it up for you. This bike's been very well taken care of. And I know even with only 800 miles on it, it's still in meticulous shape. Tires are in great shape, plenty of miles left on them. They added a tank pad to it, as well as a Yoshimura pipe. It's got a passenger seat cowl, as well as a passenger seat with it, which isn't pictured. You can tell by that rear tire, great shape. You can even still kind of see the paint lines. So, tell there isn't a lot of miles on it. So it does have stand spools on it as well. And then an upgraded chain and rear sprocket. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned this bike does have ABS. $801 is what's on it. Camera down here. This 2020 Suzuki GSX-S750 is a certified motorcycle, which means it'll be going through our pre-sale inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.